go through. 5 is a factor of 20. Write down another factor of 20. You can pick 4. You can put 10. Any other factor of 20?
5. Oh, we already got that. 1, 5, 10, 2, and 20.
Yes, perfect. Part B, write down the multiple of 20. You can just
I put 42.
You can put 60. Excellent. Number 2, complete the first 7 square numbers.
The
missing one is
25.
25. Okay. Part B, write the missing term in each sequence.
Sorry, sir. Give me 1 second.
Part B, do you understand that, Precious?
Yeah, I do.
The first one keeps going down by 2.
Yeah.
And then the second one goes up by 6. Okay. Okay, let's go to be looking at number 3 while we wait for Daniel to come.
Okay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. So number 3, so number 2 we just marked, it was 12 and 8.
Yeah.
Number 3, Alex has a number game. He must put down tiles to make 2 calculations with the same answer. Here's what Alex put down. Is he correct?
No.
Why?
Because 2 minus 3 times 2 equals -4, and 3 minus 5 equals -2.
Yes. 3 minus 5 is -2. And you have to do both maths to multiply first for that one. 3 times 2, 6. And then 2 minus 6 is -4. So he's not correct. Number 4, a teacher asked 9 of his pupils how many pets they have at home. Work out the range. Range is the biggest minus smallest. Or the largest minus smallest. So it's 1, 1, 10. The median of 9 result is 3. The mean is 15. Write down the mode.
1.
1. Mode is the most common.
Yep.
There's 3 of them. Excellent. And the second part, the teacher wants to use a sensible average to summarize the results. Which average should he use and why? The median, because all of them except 1, 1, 1 is close to 3.
Yep.
All those numbers. Okay, number 5 is a diagram. Write down the name of that solid. It's a cylinder. And this one square base pyramid, because this one is a square. Can you see the square there? That's a square base pyramid. And number 6.
35.
70% of 50 is 35. You find 10%, which is 5, and then times it by 7.
Yeah.
And then part B. Can you read part B for us, Precious?
I should read the question.
Yes, please.
Okay. Beth multiplies a number by 3 and divides the answer by 10. By what fraction has the number been reduced?
So you multiply by 3 and divide by 10. So the answer, you get 3x over 10. So if you start with x, and then you minus 3x over 10. You get 7 over 10. It's like 1 minus 3 over 10. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's reduced by 7 over 10. Now this one says find a fraction which is bigger than 3 over 7 and smaller than 4 over 7. So we can find something in the middle of them. So you add the 2 together and divide by 2. You know how to add 3 over 7 plus 4 over 7?
Yeah.
You get 7 over 7, which is 1, and then you divide by 2, 1 over 2.
Mhm.
And number 7 there is a diagram. You want to find the coordinates for the corner of the square. Area is length times width. So if the area is 36, so that will be 6 times 6. So if this is 4, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will be minus 2 there. And you get that one. Minus 2, 4.
Yeah.
That's the one you want to find them. And number 8, you increase by 15%. That means you times by 1.15. Do you understand how I got that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
15% is a multiplier. And when you multiply it, you get that answer. And then you multiply it by 7 to get the total number of steps. And then part B, Joe buys a pair of walking boots for 63 pounds. She saves 1/10 of the original price of the boots. When you save 1/10, what is left?
9/10.
9/10 is left. And they say that 9/10 is equals to 63 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
So 1/10 is 7 pounds.
Yep.
9/10 is 63 pounds. 1/10, 7 pounds. Okay. Did you do 9?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. This is the probability for 9. Probability of a red and then probability of a green, the same color.
Yeah, I got this answer.
Okay. That one is straightforward in a way. Number 10.
I got this too.
They got 2 banks, bank A and bank B. So you work out the difference between them. So what you're going to do now is both of you will try questions. Try 11 to 20. I'll just put 20 minutes and then we'll discuss it after 20 minutes. So try this, or you both try and do the same paper.
Okay, so I should do this. Okay, I will.
Let me send that same paper.
No, I don't. I have it. I have it.
Okay, let's do the same paper. So 11 to 20. Excellent work so far. Okay. Did you not understand part B?
No, I didn't understand it.
Okay, I'll tell you what it is now. We have, do you understand it, Danielle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell us what to do.
So I don't really.
Okay, what you want the left-hand side. The left-hand side, you want to find what y is so that the right-hand side would be 1.
Mm-hmm.
So what you want to do, we want to find the value of y. It's like you're solving that equation. So I'll write it here again and go slowly so you can figure it. 2 times 2 to the y is equals to 1. What's the opposite of times 2?
Divide.
So you divide by 2 on the left and divide by 2 on the right. So you have 2 to the y is equals to 1/2. 1/2, if you take the 2 up, it will become 2 to the minus 1, because 2 to the 1/2 is like 1/2 to the power 1. You can write like that, 1/2 to the power 1.
Mm-hmm.
When you take that to the top, it becomes 2 to the minus 1. So what is happening here is this 2 is the same base like that 2. So this y must be equals to minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
So y is equals to minus 1. So if y is minus 1, you can check if your answer is correct. It will be 2 times 2 to the minus 1. 2 to the minus 1 is a half. It's 2 times a half. And these two will cancel. It will be 1. So 1 is equals to 1. And that's how you check the answer. Okay, let's go to number 13A. That's a sketch of graph. A mass of flour used in the recipe doubles as the number of biscuits made doubles. So it's just a straight line graph. If this one is 2, this one too will double. That means y is equals to x. That's for 13A. 13B. What did you get your answer to be, Precious?
I got 36 as well.
36. How did you get 36? What did you do?
I did the same as you actually. I did 432 divided by 120.
Okay.
And
Got
then I
that.
did 3. Yeah.
Fantastic. And the third part, the last part, 1640. Did you get that one?
No, I didn't get that one.
Okay. It says find the mass of sugar.
Mhm.
Let's look at sugar in grams that Jane has left at the back. So how much? 3.6 times 100. Why 3 times by 100?
Because you're trying to find out the sugar.
Perfect. So we want 360 grams of sugar. 360 grams of sugar used. But the sugar came how much in the bag of sugar? 2
2
kilograms.
kg.
To change that to grams is 2
Times by 1,000.
times 1,000. So 2,000. So 2,000 grams. So we got 2,000 minus 360. That's what is left.
Oh, okay.
Okay.